Ready, ready, standard. Way to show me love, make me package you. Your love is just too much, I don't fit manage you.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, let me formally introduce myself because I know this is your first time watching, because this is my first video. So my name is Revi of Skybelle Beauty. I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. So I'm going to be doing this tutorial on this beautiful peachy smoky eyes and nude lips, and if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. That's why you click the video. I'm gonna bye. So I've already done my brows off camera, and I'll be starting off with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'll be applying this all over my lid and blending it out with my fingers. All over my lid using the Nye Powder. I'll be applying the shade Spice all over my crease from the Morphe 3502 palette. From the same 3502 palette, and I'll be applying that on my crease. Only this time I'll be taking it a little bit lower than the first shade we applied. Applying the shade Fire from the same palette, still on my crease, and I'll be blending it out. Using the shade Rich from the same palette, I'll be applying it on the outer corners of my eyes. We are applying the shade Brunette from the same Morphe 3502 palette. Deeping the outer corner, I'll be using the black shade from the palette called Wiz. Next, I'll be cutting my crease using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. Blending that out using a flat brush. I'll be applying this loose glitter using this LB lash glue. Guys, so sorry, I had to complete my face off camera. For some weird reason my camera stopped recording, and on top of that the light went out, so that's how come you hear the sound in the background. But anyways, all the products I use will be listed down in the description box, so you don't have anything to worry. I'll be lining my lips using the Davis brown pencil, and I'll be applying the lipstick, the Milani Amore matte lip cream in the shade Loved for my lips. Here's one look with a matte nude lip. The lipstick I applied, the Milani lipstick, dries down completely matte, but to spice things up a bit and make it look a little more sultry and nice, I would apply a nude gloss over the lip just to make it more fun. Guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you liked the video, and yeah, it's very nice, gorgeous, peachy, smoky eye with a nude glossy lip. It's perfect for daytime and nighttime. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or any comments you'd like to let me know, please drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer each and every single one of them. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, to thy own self be true. Bye guys.